my eyes bone dry, got tissues in my pockets. I'm sensitive, only wanna duck when I throw a fit. Been through some shit, with my heart on my sleeve, so it's hard to miss.